attendance of the class can be conducted by making an attendance sheet. To generate the attendance sheet, click on the Manage Data option and then click on the Attendance Sheet option. Here, you can generate the attendance sheet multiple date-wise, per day, and subject-wise. So let's see the multiple date-wise. Select the start date, that is prom date, and then select the end date. Then select the course and then the batch. To generate the sheet, click on the Generate Sheet option, and below your attendance sheet will be generated. The multiple wise attendance sheet is used to make attendance of a week. It is mostly being used in the schools. To print the data, simply click on the Print Data option. Now let's see the per day wise. To generate the per day wise attendance, select the date, the course, and then the batch. Then click on the Generate Sheet option. The attendance sheet will appear with the lecture scheduled on that day with the names of the students. Using this module, you can take the attendance of each lecture scheduled on the particular date. This is generally used in coaching classes where student can leave at any time in the day. Click on the Print Data option to print the sheet. Now let's see the subject-wise attendance sheet. Here select the course, the batch, and the subject. Then click on the Generate Sheet option and your attendance sheet would be generated. This subject-wise attendance is used when the professor carries its own attendance sheet. To print the attendance sheet, simply click on the Print Data option. To add the manual attendance of the student, click the Upload, then select the sub-option Manual Attendance. Then the manual attendance interface will appear. Here, select the date, then select the course, then select the batch. After that, select the timetable. And then click on the search icon. You will see two buttons. First, make present, and the other one, make absent. Make present option will make all the students present, and similarly make absent option will make all the students absent. There's also a search option where the user can search the students. Below that, the table where roll number and name of the student is represented. Besides that, user can also choose whether a student is present or absent. At the last is Save button, where the user can save the attendance added. You can also see the present student, absent count, and the total student. To check the attendance, click on the Attendance Report option and then select the sub-option Attendance. The attendance interface will appear. This module analyzes the attendance of the students throughout the academic year and stores the report in the database. The user can check the attendance per student and also subject wise. So let's see the per student first. Select the start date and then the end date. Then select the course, the batch, and then select the name of the student. And then click on the search icon. After doing this, the user will able to see the attendance report of that particular student. along with all details like student name, student roll number, parent's name, and parent's mobile number. Below that, there is a table representing the attendance of the students per day in a systematic way. At the bottom, the user can also see the attended lectures, the total lectures, and the student attendance percentage. Now let's see the subject wise. Here also, select the from date, then select the to date, then select the course and the batch. Select the subject and then click on the search icon. After doing this, the user will be able to see the attendance according to the subject and also the test attendance of the student. You can also click the print icon beside the search icon to print the attendance, and besides that, you can download the Excel sheet format of the attendance.